voltage reading. Okay, flame's on. Wires are all tucked away. Let's give this guy a shot here. Okay, let me get the head tracker, and everything else should be recording as it is. So if you can see down here, we got a red warning light saying we're kind of low. I would love to see work in the air. Alright, let's get this into the air. Make sure everything's still working. Good range. You can see we got the gear down with the green light. Flaps at full now with the blue light on to make those brighter, but okay, let's get into the air. Hang on. Alright, that's fine. I brought a spare prop for that reason. Let's just go swap it out. Haven't done that in a while, but even blew the top off. Good. Glad that's what's happening now. I just don't think I got enough speed before trying to pitch forward, but I think everything should be fine. Everything else though should be just fine. Okay, we'll try it again. We just need more power before we take off. Which I've done before, and I've made that mistake before. Goggles are recording again. A little snow in the windshield, but that's okay. Why do I turn so hard? Take off that way, we can take off that way. Fine. See, it immediately wanted to turn around. We'll just take off this way. That'd be smart. Okay. Taxi 3 is the second time it wanted to loop around hard. As you can see, we're off the ground. Let's just get some power going here. Another great day for flying. As you can see, it is windy and cold, but I just wanted to test this landing light. Just want to see, get closer to the ground. Light turns on, you can see that. I was getting close, you know, semi-close, not really that close, but light's turning on because I'm getting close to the ground. You can see it kind of popping up, but that's just the whole goal, is to just say, hey, maybe we should fly higher. See red light. I'm focusing quite a bit on flying because it is windy. What if I turn safe on? Is that going to help me at least for demonstration purposes? I need to add expo onto this plane is what I've learned. See the indicator, you can see it reflect in the side there. We're getting close to the ground, we should probably pull up. Speaking of, we should probably land so I don't just wreck it. I'm not going to land it yet. I just got flaps on. I'm trying to just go low, bring it around. There we go. As you can see, we're on the ground. The red light is on, telling us, hey, we're too low for flying. That's the whole point of the sensor, just to let me know that it's on. It's not perfect, but that's at least part of the project. Really quick before I wrap up this video, I have a couple of things I wanted to talk about. One, how can I get better at taking off in this Corsair? As you can see, I'm always ballooning up and just popping up, and it's really unstable. And I know I'm supposed to try to roll out more, pop the tail up, then slowly, gradually pull up. But as you can see, I'm always just floating up, and I always want to get better. So please let me know how I can improve this. I've got the simulator I'm practicing on too, so just let me know, because I want to get better at this Corsair. Number two, thank you so much for all the comments on the last video on putting together this ultrasonic sensor. It is super helpful, and I already have plans for a V2 of this involving more sensors and better quality sensors, such as a time of flight LiDAR sensor, because lasers are a lot cooler than sound and they're a lot more precise and accurate. So I want to throw on more sensors, and I really do appreciate all the ideas and the comments, because that's what makes this project so much fun. It's the collaboration mixed with a little bit of engineering, and as well as a Corsair, because that's super cool by itself. But I really do appreciate all the comments. I love them, and I like responding to them. So if you have more ideas on things we should add to this Corsair, please reach out in the Discord, the YouTube comments, anything you want. Let me know. I'll try to add them onto this Corsair. The goal is to have more things in this plane than the real plane. It might be hard to get to, but please let me know if there's anything that I should add to this plane. It's so cool. And one last thing, thank you to all of the members who are supporting the channel. Thank you so much. We are now up to 2 members, which is awesome. And another thing we're trying to do for the members is now have a bi-weekly or maybe a monthly newsletter going into our projects more in depth. If you enjoy reading more than you do listening to me ramble about the different projects, I want to start sending that out. I think it'd be cool to add some pictures and some more in-depth descriptions and ideas and going through why I'm doing all this stuff, because it is really fun. So if you're looking for another reason to join the membership, not only do you get early access to all of our videos and all of our content whenever they're ready, but you're also going to be added onto a newsletter, which should be really cool and interesting. Again, it's only $1 a month, and it's totally up to you if you want to. If not, no big deal, but we do like all the love and support, because that helps us turn around and buy new planes and new parts and new things and new projects. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. This has been Inverted Aviators RC. Stick around if you like the projects like this and the planes that we fly. Stick around. There'll be more videos coming up next week. But thank you so much for watching.